Let's see how to add thumbnail to your Instagram Reels. Go to your Instagram, go to your profile, select Reel, and then tap on that reel in which reel you want to add a thumbnail. Tap on this three dot, tap on Manage, tap on Edit. In here, we can see my current thumbnail, so I'm just tapping on Edit. And we can see the thumbnail option showing. From here, you can just go ahead and select the thumbnail from your reel video, or you can tap on Add from Camera Roll, and then from your gallery, you can upload a custom photo as your reel thumbnail, just like this. Then tap on Done, tap on Save, and this is how we can actually add thumbnail to our Instagram reel. Thanks for watching.